In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete and remove all the likes on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From Instagram's homepage, click on your profile icon at bottom right corner. Now, from top right corner, click on these three lines. And from here, click on your activity. Now, click on likes. All the posts or reels you have liked on Instagram will be showing here. You can sort it by newest to oldest or oldest to newest, and can also filter by date, and can also filter it by contact type or authors. After this, click on select at top right corner. Then manually select the post or reels you want to remove from your likes. Then from bottom, click on unlike. Now once again, click on unlike, and your selected post or reels will be removed from likes. To delete or remove all the posts or reels, you have to manually select them all, then click on unlike, and all the likes will be deleted or removed from Instagram. So that's how you can delete or remove all the likes on Instagram in just few easy steps.